Thon 4cm và đây là một cú đập.
AJ. Oh, big right hook from AJ.
But Wanchai and Arvin, you call him a sniper, it's like a Barrett.
Sniper, he's very good at just using a long range weapons, and there he goes, slightly trying to step into orthodox to land that left hook to the body, and he goes down again, second knockdown.
Haven't been hurt yet. Big left hand there, and he puts him to the canvas. And then
yeah, Sanchai wants to have a fight in the phone booth, and he goes down again to another body shot.
is deeming it okay to carry on. If these were shots to the head, he wouldn't allow it, but the referee's waving it off.
Là những cú đấm trúng đích từ AJ. Rất tốt với cú đấm. Đối thủ ngang độ vẫn luôn là điều mà AJ mang đến. Gục dây. Left hook. Đối thủ cố lên không chôn rồi. Ba đấm.
Kumusta at welcome back sa ating channel. Isang undefeated na Pinoy at batang prospect na si Arvin Jen Pasiones ang tinaguriang The Sniper, ang may potensyal na maging world champion sa inaharap dahil sa malakas, mabilis at may galawan din ang batang ito. At sa edad na 17 ay nagpamalas na ito ng galing at bagsik ng kamao nito sa laban. Samantala si Arvin Jen Pasiones ay may edad sa kasalukuyan na 20. May taas na 5'7", isang Cebuano at naninirahan na sa Vietnam. Si Pasiones ay may undefeated ring record sa kasalukuyan na 11 wins, 6 knockouts. At former WBA Asia Light Flyweight Champion at kasalukuyang WBO Oriental Flyweight Champion. Samantala habang tumatagal ay tila nagiging halimaw sa taas ng ring ang ating pambato dahil sa huling dalawang laban nito ay pinabagsak ng 3 beses at tinapos nito sa unang round ang kalaban. At ang katatapos na lang ng laban ni Pasiones ay 5 beses naman na pinabagsak sa Malaenowi na body shot nito at tinapos kaagad ang kalaban nito.
Chai wants to have a fight in the phone booth, and he
Is deeming it okay to carry on. If these were shots to the head, he wouldn't allow it, but the referee...
Samantala bago yan ay balikan natin ang mga impresibong laban ni Pasiones. Taong 2022, unang sabak ni Pasiones sa bansang Thailand na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Cambodian boxer na si Vichit Ot. Sa laban ng dalawa ay naging agresibo at palaban ang Cambodian boxer. Panay atake nito at pasugod lagi sa ating kababayan. Ngunit nakipagsabayan si Pasiones at nagawa nga nitong in-knockout ang Cambodian boxer.
ความคล่องแคล่วรวดเร็วเลยครับนี่ครับแม่ต่อยไปยังติดกาดติดบังนะครับของอวิจรวิชิตโอ๊ตนี่ก็พยายามเดินไล่ถล่มลำตัวแล้วครับกะจะเอาให้โอ้โหบวกซ้ายครับโดนเหมือนกันนะครับอวิจรสายตาเรามาแล้วหลายครั้งนะครับโอ้โหไล่อัดลำตัวบุกใส่หมัดหน้าของอวิจรปาโซเนสที่เร็วครับโอ๊ตโอ้โหแต่ควานหาตัวแกยากจริงๆครับมาแล้วครับไล่ถล่มแล้วครับโอ้โหหมัดขวาเต็มๆครับโดนไปกับขาสั่นครับอวิจรปาโซเนสต้องไล่อย่างเร็วเลยครับดูครับวิญญาณเพชรฆาตของนักมวยจากกัมพูชาครับวิชิตโอ๊ตปลูกกันแล้วครับแม่ต้องรู้ดำรู้แดงกันนะครับยกนี้ต้องมีคนร่วงมีคนหล่นครับโอ้โหต่อยลำตัวครับต่อยลำตัวอวิจรปาโซเนสได้มีเวลาหายใจโอ้โหหุกซ้ายครับลูกนี้โดนเต็มๆครับโอ้โหต้องบอกว่าเป็นหมัดที่ลักต่อย
Hindi na nakatayo pa ang Cambodian boxer. Panalo si Pasiones by a third round technical knockout. Samantala March 2023, nang harapin ni Pasiones ang maangas na Thai boxer na si Sarawat Yamtong. Sa weigh-in pa lang ay nagpakita na ito ng angas sa Pinoy. Sa pagsimula ng round 1 ay binakbakan agad ng hambog na Thai boxer ang ating kababayan. Gustong tapusin kaagad nito ang Pinoy. Ngunit bulagta ang inabot ito sa kamay ni Pasiones.
5 năm trước ở độ tuổi 10 sĩ được dự đoán cũng sẽ tiếp tục gắn bó lâu dài với đất nước Việt Nam, bất lợi hơn về mặt thể hình, về chiều cao và xẻ tay. Cú swing hook rất nặng nhưng rất tốt. Đó là những cú đánh cực kỳ, chúng ta đang thấy một màn thể hiện tuyệt vời và chúng ta cũng thấy là những đòn Thon 4cm và đây là một cú đấm và có khả năng anh sẽ khiến cho đối thủ bị hạ knockout.
Pinilit pa sanang tumayo ng Thai, ngunit hilo pa ito. Napahanga naman ng Pinoy ang mga Vietnamese na nanonood ng laban. Panalo si AJ Pasiones via second round technical knockout. Samantala October 2023, nang talunin ni Pasiones ang Chinese boxer na si Jen Pengyang via unanimous decision na kung saan dito nakuha ang WBA Asia Light Flyweight belt. Samantala, December 2023, nang muling dumayo si Pasiones sa bansang Thailand, na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Thai fighter na si Ketedek Heronsok para dipinsan sa unang pagkakataon ang hawak nitong WBA Asia Light Flyweight Belt. Samantala, sa laban ng dalawa ay nagpakitang gilas ang Thai boxer sa harap ng kanyang mga kababayan na kaya niyang bigyan ng unang talo ang Pinoy at nagawa pa nitong hamunin ang Pinoy na bugbugin ang kanyang muka. Tunghayan kung paanong bugbugin at pabagsakin ng Pinoy sa harap ng kanyang kababayan ang naghahamon na Thai boxer.
This is AJ Pasiones' first title defense of his head movement to escape there afterwards. Trying to get a reaction from Riddick. Riddick, oh, beautiful head movement from Riddick. The red gloves in the red corner. Ketedek Heron, 21 years old against AJ, 18 years old. Circling. Riddick coming in. Riddick now switches stance as well. Oh, right hand jab as well. Oh, big left hook there from AJ. Right hand landing on the shoulder. Left uppercut for AJ. AJ starting to unload it here a little bit. Oh! Feints, controlling the time, controlling distance. Right hook to the body from AJ. Oh, right hand. Try to find something here. Lands a right hook to the body. Riddick needs to have a little more offense. Left hook and a right hand lands Riddick there. Beautiful. Oh, and a right uppercut lands. Ketedek back in the Philly shell, trying to land some offense of his own. Left jab coming in for AJ. Oh, big right hook from AJ. Putting down his Thai opponent. Let's see what AJ does. Oh, big left uppercut from AJ's coming in. Oh, these boys are trying to trade here. AJ needs to be careful though. He can't. A left hand of his own, and a left hand from Ketedek lands as well. Oh, big left hand from Ketedek. Right. Oh, and AJ responds with a big right hand, landing on the guard. Left uppercut lands very well for. Oh, big right hand. A right cross to the body and a right cross to the head. Oh, Ketedek. Oh, AJ lands a right hook to the body. Wow.
Panalo si AJ Pasiones by a 12-round unanimous decision. Samantala, March 28, 2024 ay balik Thailand si Pasiones para harapin ang isa na naman na Thai boxer na si Wangchai Niang Hansa na kung saan muling didipinsahan ni Pasiones sa pangalawang pagkakataon ng hawak nitong WBA Asia Light Flyweight Belt. Sa laban ng dalawa, round 1 lang tapos na ang laban ng 3 beses na pabagsakin ang Thai boxer.
To an orthodox stance and a right hand. The sniper by Nim.
A beautifully timed shot.
But Wangchai, Arvind sent his opponent down.
He looks stunned.
You call him a sniper, it's like a Barrett 50 count.
Panalo si AJ Pasiones by a first round knockout. Samantala, matapos ng 3 buwan, June 29, 2024, ay sa Pilipinas naman napalaban si Pasiones na ginanap sa Mandaue City, Cebu, ang probinsya na kung saan pinanganak si AJ Pasiones. Mabigat ang kaharapin ni Pasiones dito dahil ang kanyang makakasagopa ay veterano na at former IBF World Minimum Weight Champion na si Rene Mart Cuarto. Si Cuarto ay mayroong record na 22 wins, 5 losses at 12 knockouts, habang si AJ Pasiones ay may malinis na record na 8 wins, 5 knockouts. Dito nasubukan ang galing at tibay ni Pasiones sa laban nang pabagsakin nito ang former world champion.
Pasiones answers with an uppercut to Pasiones and he's mixing it up and he's body shot there by Cuarto, blocked by Pasiones.
They're throwing heavy leather early on.
Now, you ain't got nothing on me. Good straight to the body is Pasiones. I like the way how Rene Cuarto is able to.
Pasiones is committed to that left.
Right hook to the body. That was a good straight from AJ Pasiones. Knocking down. May pigilan. Shut down yung.
He's been here before.
Oh. Now, trying to counter. However,
easy 10-8 round right away.
You have more rounds to work with. Hindi mo kailangan bumawi kagad sa round na to. Good uppercut there by Cuarto. Pasiones maganda talaga. Good uppercut there by Batista. This is Franco Rolloda with me as a corner just AJ Pasiones is backpedaling from an advancing Rene Marcuarto. Oh, I'm very impressed with the head movement and the defense of Pasiones. It's just a matter. Pasok ka, pagdating doon. Yan, oh, kita mo? Now he's able to find his rhythm. Good
Right hand right, but Cuarto.
Good body shot there by Cuarto.
Good right hand from
Now
Cuarto.
he has him against
And
the
a left
corner.
hand to Pasiones with that short left. Good body shot.
Good uppercut to the body by
Body shot from Pasiones.
Another body shot from Pasiones.
Good short right hand from
Pasiones once. Diba, he's gonna lure you into this showboating contest. Anytime na may showboat, Cuarto. Sa second half, lumalabas yung tunay.
good. Good right hand from. That was slick. Good right hand from Pasiones.
Pasiones is
But Cuarto answers back. Good right. Good exchange. Good left hand from Cuarto.
uppercut straight there. Another straight. Another very strategic. Down.
Good right hand from Cuarto.
Especially with the left.
Good right hand from Cuarto. Best round for
AJ Pasiones of Saigon Sports.
Ito, merong posibilidad na mag-drop to if it goes the distance, but at this rate, hindi tayo sure kung aabot doon. Good right hand from Cuarto. There you go. Good combination from Cuarto. 10 seconds left.
Pasiones dancing.
Panalo si AJ Pasiones via 10-round split decision. Samantala matapos lang ang mahigit isang buwan, August 2024, ay napalaban agad si Pasiones na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Thai boxer na si Nantanon Tongchai. May edad itong 18 at may ring record na 13 wins, 2 losses at 11 knockouts. Habang si Pasiones ay may edad na 19 at may undefeated record na 9 wins, 5 knockouts. Sa laban ng dalawa ay hindi pinatagal ng ating kababayan ang laban. 3 beses pinadapa at tinapos agad sa unang round ang Thai boxer.
Ở hạng 110 pound. Cú đấm tốt của Pasiones. AJ ép luôn đối phương, lối đánh nhanh đầy tốc độ vẫn luôn là thứ cực kỳ cuốn hút mà AJ Pasiones làm được. Nhưng đừng quên rằng đối thủ của anh cũng rất đáng sợ và còn trẻ hơn cả anh nữa. Ép được đối phương. Liên tục là những cú đấm trúng đích từ AJ. Rất tốt với cú mông. Đối thủ ngã rồi. Đối thủ choáng choáng say đòn rồi và đây mới là hiệp đấu đầu tiên thôi. Tốc độ vẫn luôn là điều mà AJ mang đến. Gục rồi, gục thật rồi. Đây là hiệp 1 và mới chỉ là 2 phút 15 giây. Có lẽ trận đấu vẫn tiếp tục. Left hook. Đối thủ có lẽ không trốn rồi. Và đó là chiến.
Panalo si AJ Pasiones via first round technical knockout. Samantala nito lang May 31, 2025 ay muling napalaban si Pasiones sa bansang Thailand na kung saan naimbitahan si Pasiones para harapin ang pinantapat sa Pinoy na si Sanjay Yotbon na mayroong record na 18 wins, 12 knockouts. Pinaglabanan ng dalawa ang WBO Oriental Flyweight Belt. Samantala sa laban ng dalawa ay muling pinatunayan ni Pasiones ang lakas at bagsik ng kamao nito nang pabagsakin ng 5 beses ang Thai boxer.
10 fights against Sanjay Yotbon, who has 27 bouts on his professional boxing record. So Arvin John Pasiones, already the WBA Asia champion. And let's see if he can be a double champ right here, taking away the WBO title, or is Sanjay going to rip up the script and be the champion himself?
Arvin's a very slick fighter. He's got that sniper style. He likes to pop shot people, and he's got the knockout power to go with it as well. We've seen him put many people to the canvas, and Sanjay walking into these shots, definitely going to feel the power very early of Arvin.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, Jimmy. He's a sniper. He's very good at just using the long-range weapons. And there he goes, putting down Saenchai with the left hooks to the body, snatching the life away from him. Is he going to make the count? The referee's at 6, now at 7. Saenchai stands up at 8. Looks like he's going to be able to continue. Is Pasiones going to be able to get this done in round number 1? Let's see. Comes diving in with the uppercut.
The Prince Naseem Hamed, the southpaw style with the pop shots to go with it. And of course the backup, and there he's found that shot again right underneath the ribcage. He's going to the exact same spot every time. Has Saenchai fully recovered after that knockdown? We're going to find out soon.
Saenchai trying to survive here. Let's see if he's completely recovered from that knockdown. Pasiones moving into orthodox, stepping back very slightly, trying to step into orthodox to land that left hook to the body, and he goes down again. Second knockdown now in the first round. We're halfway through the round right now. Is Saenchai going to get up from this one? Referee's at 6, he's at 7, he's at 8, and Saenchai stands up. One more knockdown and it's all over. Pasiones will be crowned the new champ if he can get a knockdown in this round. Another one, 3 knockdowns around, and it is a TKO victory.
He's challenging his inner Mickey Ward here and just digging to the body with those left hooks, putting his opponent to the canvas right underneath the ribcage, right in the sweet spot. Saenchai has to survive this round. He's got to make it through round number 1. Great left hand with the right hand. The crowd are going wild.
And you got to give it to Saenchai here, trying to have a firefight with Pasiones when he's already hurt and he's had 2 knockdowns in this round. Really risking it here, trying to fight back against Pasiones instead of going on the back foot and trying to kill time, trying to chew the clock up as he could.
And that's what he needs to do. He needs to try and prove he's not hurt and that he's got the energy to continue. But when you've been down twice, it's very hard to convince your opponent that you haven't been hurt yet. Big left hand there, and he puts him to the canvas, and that is the 3rd knockdown. The 3rd knockdown. The ref giving him the count. There is no 3 knockdown rule in this. And he makes it to his feet. The referee allows him to continue, and that is the end of the round. Somewhat put him down again. I think the referee may have seen enough, but let's see. We cannot count Saenchai out. Round number 2 underway.
No, you definitely can't count out a wounded animal. They're always deadly and lethal. Here we go, left hook there from Saenchai. Right hand again from Saenchai. The crowd really getting behind him. Saenchai has Pasiones cornered on the ropes.
And this is what Arvin wants. He wants Saenchai to come forward. He knows he can use the momentum against him. He wants Saenchai to punch himself out and make him more susceptible to the body shots.
Yeah, Saenchai wants to have a fight in the phone booth. And he goes down again to another body shot. Is he going to make the count this time? Referee at 6. Saenchai is just taking his time, waiting for the count to get up. And here we go, fight is going to continue.
And the interesting thing here is, Ali, because they're body shots, the referee is deeming it okay to carry on. If these were shots to the head, he wouldn't allow it, but the referee's waving it off, folks, and it is all.
Panalo si AJ Pasiones via second round technical knockout. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? Ibigay ang iyong komento sa baba at huwag kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po.